everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today I'm back with another monthly mini build from Lego. This one is 40280. It came in May 2018 and it's a tractor. Very good for that time of year, and I really love tractors. Like anything on wheels, so tractors are, well, counted as things on wheels, aren't they? So I'll show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so a 2x6 standard base plate like so. Which way around am I going to be doing it today? I'm going to be doing this way around. A 2x2 base plate with wheel attachments, a 2x3 standard base plate in red, and another 2x2 base plate with wheel attachments on. Does that look alright? Yeah, it looks alright. Okay, now, a 2x2 base plate with a ball joint on the end. This is supposed to be like for a trailer, but there is no trailer included, so you'll have to make it your own. 2x4 standard base plate over here. And we're going to bring in a 1x2 standard brick back here. Is it this way? Oh yeah, sorry, I'm showing you the wrong way. And a 2-high standard brick. Well, it's a side attachment brick. Yeah, back here. And now we're gonna bring in something else. A small grabber plate over on this side. No, on this side. And a single round stud. This set, or should I call it polybag, comes with little studs with in metallic silver, which is new to something like that. Well, new at the time when it was released. And 4 of these cone pieces. I think this is the engine, something like that. So we're going to stick them all along here, and we're going to bring in a 2x3 base plate and stick it on here. Now, we're going to bring in more of those metallic silver studs and stick them on top of here. And what now? These kind of ladder, they look like side attachment plates, just then they don't attach anything on the sides, they're just ladders. Kind of ladder pieces over here on top of this engine piece that we made, and a steering wheel over here, make sure it spins round, and this piece, this kind of piece for cars, don't know what it's called, don't care anyway. I have millions of these kind of pieces because I can't get away from them. Another one to add to my collection. Anyway, we're going to turn this way round. I'm going to bring in these grill pieces just slightly raised. I'm going to stick them upside down. This is going to be, well, the grill in front of the engine. And we're going to make the kind of the top of the bonnet. So a 2x4 standard base plate in red, slightly overhanging the top here. Now a car bonnet slope, because we're making a bonnet, but this is a tractor bonnet, not a car bonnet. And a 2x2 tile. Nice to add that to my collection. And a 1x2 jumper plate at the front here. Now we're gonna be adding the wheels. Now wheels are if you get them, then they will come separately. The wheels will come separately, but I don't want to bother about that today, so I've just got them pre-assembled. These are the kind of medium street wheel types. I think they're going to be serving the big wheels for the back of the tractor, but it looks a bit straight now, doesn't it? So we're going to bring in the little wheels. These are the small kind of ones, small roller wheels, but with rugged tires on them, because you know you can switch the tires around if you want to. It's already looking really good. Now all that we need to do is need to put it like this, and we're gonna add the decoration. So a grey frog, a little frog piece, just grey. This is gonna be the kind of frog kind of like the Titanic on the front of a tractor, and one of those missile bar pieces, and an ice cream piece. This is going to be the fluff coming from our tractor. Attach it like so, and just clip it onto this here. So there we have it. Our tractor is complete. It is a very, very, very funny little tractor because the front is kind of really, really large and is pointing downwards, as you can see. But I'm glad about it anyway. And I'm just going to bring a minifigure in to show you that you can fit a minifigure on top of it. And off we go. Chugga, 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 chugga. So that's the end of our video. I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that has inspired you. And until next time, happy building! Jigga 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 jigga. Right, I'm the farmer around here. Let's do some farming. Where did the sheep go? Baa.